Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the outdoor sunlight visibility comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus OnePlus Nord CE device. So let's see friends, which phone has got the better kind of brightness under the direct sunlight. That is what I'm going to show you. So in terms of the brightness levels, the Realme X7 Max has got the 1000 nits of brightness and OnePlus Nord CE has got the 1100 nits of maximum peak brightness. So these are the exact models I'm trying to use in this kind of demonstration, as you can see friends clearly. So let me try to show you when I'll be enabling the auto brightness mode, and I'll try to keep the full brightness as well during this time of demonstration. You can clearly see. So now let me try to go into the sunlight visibility. So let's see which phone will be having the better kind of visibility. And one more thing, I'll try to check the screen flickering issue as well. Which phone has got a screen flickering issue? That is another test which I need to do. Screen flickering issue is there or not, because IQ7 phones they are experiencing, some units, not all the phones, experiencing this kind of screen flickering. So let's see whether both phones will be having that kind of screen flickering or not. So both are having the full brightness levels at this point, and I can see slight flickering is happening in the OnePlus Nord CE device, little bit but not much. So I'm trying to open the both Play Stores in both phones at same time. So I can see similar kind of results, as you can see, similar kind of experience I'm getting right now. So you can see little bit of flickering did happen in the OnePlus Nord, little bit but not much, but overall you'll get really a very good experience using the both phones outdoor, so nothing should be a problem. And in terms of the back side, this is how it looks, both phones, as you can see friends, in terms of the under the direct sunlight visibility, as you can see. So because of the case, you are seeing this kind of different kind of design, but we do have only the plain surface on the back side OnePlus Nord CE device. But if you like the matte, then definitely you love the Realme X7 Max. So that's it, and this is a quick comparison between the both phones. Overall, both phones kind of same in terms of the outdoor sunlight visibility, and slightly flickering problem is there in the OnePlus Nord CE device outdoors. And thank you for watching this video friends, and for more interesting videos, make sure to hit that subscribe and like this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.